viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So this is the fifth dessert of the dessert special week, and we are going to make zarda. Zarda is a very popular dessert in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Zarda is a popular Pakistani delicacy. So today I'm going to teach you how to make zarda. Zarda, or you call it as meethe chawal in India. So let's get started. I've added 5 cups of water into the cooking pot. Now I'm going to add 1 cup milk. Basmati rice, I have soaked this for half an hour. Now I'm going to add this rice into the water. Now cook the rice until it's 80% cooked. I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon clarified butter. Let this cook now. It might take around 10 to 12 minutes. So the rice is done now. Strain this with the help of a strainer. 1 pot dish. Into the same pot I just wiped it. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of clarified butter. 1/3 cup is 80 ml. I'm going to add 4 cardamom pods, and also I have 2 tablespoons of coconut, fresh coconut. I've sliced it. Now I'm going to fry this. Fry until the coconut changes its color to golden. It's started to change its color. To add the drained rice. Stir it. Roast the rice nicely as you have added clarified butter into this. Now into the rice I'm going to add 2 cups sugar. The ratio is for 2 cup rice I'm going to take 2 cups sugar. I have added the sugar. Now I'm not going to stir it. I'm going to just cover this and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar is dissolved completely. The sugar has dissolved completely. Now I'm going to give it a quick stir. Now this is watery in texture now. At this point, dry fruits. So these are the almonds which I had blanched it and I had slit them into 2 halves. This is 2 tablespoon almonds, 2 tablespoon pistachios, 2 tablespoon cashews and 3 tablespoon raisins. You can add any dry fruit of your choice. Now I'm going to add it directly into this. I'm going to stir this now. At this point I'm going to add red color, the color of zarda. So I'm going to add green color. These are the edible food colors. I'm not going to stir this. I'm just going to cover this and cook for 5 minutes. At this point I'm going to add 1 tablespoon rose water as well, just for good aroma, and cook it. So this is done now. Now let's stir this. So let's do the plating. For the plating I have taken my serving dish and I have kept 1 cookie cutter, the largest one. Now I'm going to put this zarda into this. Now slowly I'm going to lift the cookie cutter. So I've added almond, pistachios and raisins. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe, share and click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes, and stay connected for some more amazing mouth-watering desserts.